To automatically record calls with specific numbers in the phone app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open phone app, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then tap setting, tap record calls, tap the gray on off switch next to auto record calls until the switch turn screen to turn it on. Tap auto record calls and then select calls with specific numbers. Tap numbers to auto record. Here you can type the numbers manually or select the desired one from your call history or from your contact list. As the example, we will enter the number manually and then tap plus icon next to it. Tap the back key. With this setting, now your phone will automatically record calls you have on the phone app from those numbers you have added to the auto record call list. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.